When I live, I'm not just living for just the sake of living. I am living amongst you so that I can prepare a place for you. But there was a mystery, and the Bambe iveki yonke, I could not move from this thing. That when God is preparing, now you have a responsibility to prepare. I don't know nobody shake him nandedwa lendawo that lendawo ulungiselelwa yona nawe and yangihlala tata into ba xa bekunothiwa kule veki zayo apha enkonzweni kuzaba kwi-event, everyone was going to prepare because there is a place that is being prepared. But spiritually asiyazi ba when God etshilo kuthi that he went to prepare, that we must also prepare. We just want to be granted. We are so familiar with the grant life. We were so familiar that because of my disability, I need to be granted heaven. Much as sesigrantiwe, akhuphe price to pay for my disability. Now, when I receive Christ, there is no more disability. When I receive Christ, there is no more of I am not, I don't qualify to live a proper life. I need some grant. Because when I have life, I have abundance of everything. So we know most South Africa grandwa. Not every child is granted. It depends. But utata kuphangela phi. Umzali wakhe ukwesiphi states financially. Because of the states omzali simenza umntana angabikho granted. That is what is happening. Uma ingcono uthi manje explain loo nto apha ebandleni. Because of uKristu we are not granted. The price has been paid for us to fully qualify for the heaven. So we need to prepare. And umzali oyazi umntana wakhe akaqualify for isibonelelo. Uyayazi uyamlungiselela. And aba umntana womuntu ongaphili ngasibonelelo izikole afunda kuthi asifanda abantwana besibonelelo. So in life uKristu asibeke kuyo ayikho kwi limitation. Now uyandenza ngisakuncwadi kaJohn chapter 5 apho siyazi ba kukho indoda eyihleli echibini for 38 years ikwindawo right. Nabantu aba-right ngexesha eli-right okanye nabantu abarongo ngexesha eli-right, because it at the appointed time the angel will come sizothi steer up the pool so that whoever that is sick may come. But yona ihleli in one nansi into entyayo, you don't prepare for lenda uzile kule ndawo but ingakho uhleli uyawazi amendwa kanawo liyaqhotha akathi while abantu berelaxile belinde isithunywa, let me shift up until ndisondele. No, ucomfortable ndihleli ndiyayibona yenzeka imiqondiso but akho nto yenzekayo kum. 38 years uhleli kumane kungena omnye namhlanje athi ayengaphelanga neveki asinde agqithe kwenzeke kuye, because lo uzile uzeyazi ba apha ndize into ba ndifikelele kenda, because the angel came to prepare for whatever you need. The angel has come for you to receive, but you need to prepare, because it just like now. Because as we are going to hear the word, Tata, it is God steering up. The word has been finished. But now, God, through his mouth, will steer up the word in our lives. But am I going to continue staying in one place, saying that I don't have anyone? I am going to look at this Christian and Wambangao, ukufika echibini, dimane ndibukela abantu bendlula. That will tell you, how can I be comfortable? How can I thina abantu babhinqileyo sihambe siyokwenza nee-nails siyokwenza neentloko ngokenayo into yonxiba umntu obhinqile athakanayo because you understand that the preparation of this place namhlanje bangcwele uzawuthetha uthixo namhlanje bangcwele uzawuthetha uthixo ekhala uthetha uthixo apho but change your mindset, change your way of doing. Ukuba lo mntu uqala uhlala ecam kwakhe umane akuphazamise, move away from that. Awenza isono. You are not comfortable to be in one place.
Yeah.
You cannot be in one place spiritually for 3 years. God opposite service. Umane usithi ngiyamnqula uthixo. Uthi umnqula nasendlini but you are in one place.
My God.
You cannot be. This is not about ukumisa into abandasindiswa ngoko. Ayinamsebenzi loo nto. But are you moving? Uthande ichitha olukhukho lakho. Ulithandile ichitha olukhukho uhleli kulo. You making too much excuses ngolukhukho. You are limiting yourself ngolukhukho. You don't know there is life beyond olukhukho. And Christ has come to remove you from ukuko that you can move.
Oh yes, Lord.
Things that have been holding you up. Even because my nature when I kuko. People cannot see the mystery. Look what has happened immediately when you stood up and hold ukuko. Even the Pharisees could come and speak to him. Ukubana bafuna uthetha nawe, bafimfihlelo, but uhlala ekhukweni. I am standing here. I don't care about your 38 years that you have wasted. It's not a matter. Because it's not going in a blink of an eye, you can change them.
Yeah.
Don't stay in that hide and say, oh, because Satan will even up today. Go by hide and say, it's all about move away from that. But now, the water is going to be stirred up.
Oh yes.
Hey, Lisa, Puma Libubo, Mililo. Lipetum Walisa. Uti Kali Kantuti, Nina Seni Lambu, Edit in Obum Takanga, Kali Puma Lipetin Tabuluno. Kali Puma Lipetum Pila. Kali Puma Petamanda. It's not understandable for 38 years. How can we get the strength? Whatever that you say is too much for you. Hey, when you hear the word today, it will move you. Mountains that you could not even look at, that you were comfortable, that is violent. But today, but when I say today, God wants to do a new thing upon your life. Allow him. Come on, girls, nokuthatha step in trusting God. Ukuba uyabona nobody phone, nobody Bible, nobody don't because when the water being stirred, move away from that. Even if it's your household and the problems of your house, move away from that. Even if there are the challenges that we are dealing with every day, move away from that. Because the angel of God, the messenger of God, today is here. Today the messenger of God is here. And the water going to be here. Akuthiwa besihlane echibi mama, but belikhona. Emandali yakhatha, likhona ichibi. Akazohlala echibeni itsha, likhona. Elosini kwelona, ekuthiwa sinobomi. But it needs someone to steer up. And when the work is done, when the work of God is done, He do the finished work. He doesn't